Hey, shiqi sibuyile.
We're back.
Ake kusitshele lutho ke futhi. Sicwayele siyanethezeka.
Load shedding ila. Ila load shedding.
Xoxile Nkosi.
Nkosi yami. We're gonna be reacting to our first movie date.
Mfana lo
Ghost Hlubi.
Oyabamphonyayo Nkosi yami mawe.
Awuzoba right. Are ubani umlungisi? Melusi.
Ngahlangana nawe plus ke movie kumnyama ke bokukhuthuza ke manje abasadlali nawe ke manje
yeke lama movie dates abuba kudlela
bokuphuca ama ice phakathi ko drink mfana
bokuphuca umfazi ubhekile usonwabile lapha
umdonsa ngebhloko yazi ubaba ngebhloko
ungidina lo mfana omxhosi nami nje uyangidina
oba
uyangidina yasho ubusy usikhatsindo zakamlo
oba hey angahlukani naloko ngoba uzomphinda la
uzomphinda la ubusy yamscout
uthi hayi lo
usikota
umphuca futhi
into kamlungu sabe
sibona
Sorry, yeah. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is your boy.
Yabona intombi yakho ayifasi ibhande konke into yokuqala icabanga ukufaka icici ekhaleni priorities nzofa fela masisemba
uzokufleka umlu yaflekana
umshawa ngempela phela
And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Walifaka ibhande hey kodwa umlomo kathethi ibaka sawo awu
Oh guys, today we have a date vlog for you guys. We are going on a movie date.
yazi ngalama relationship lama influence into edinayo ukuthi bagcina sebe ne clouds labantwana lawa
ngiyabona into eziningi babahlukana let's live my private business ukuqala usho ukuthi video uyema movie so the private business wena
Nkosi yami
Right?
Kanye hasn't been to the movies in 2 years apparently.
manje kungani intombi yakhe ngabamba ikamera senze ushayela
I haven't been to the movies in 2 years. Not even apparently, it's facts. I really just like
that's a very good
haven't been to the
question
movies in like
umsebenzi wakho yini
that's a very good question
wena umsebenzi wakho yini
You lost your phone.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
in this car.
Yeah, man.
Here now.
Yeah, man. Guys, I haven't been to the movies in like the longest. And I know there's many of y'all like me too that just haven't been to the movies in the longest time.
ayikho indoda ehamba ama-movie usirengevara thengi i-DVD erenkeni Nkosi idlala ekhaya le nto hayi
ndoda ayi-DVD erankini ngoba usonokufika endlini uthole kudlala ama-China
yeah esani uthi ufuna ukubona
but some of these movies were bangers though.
Steven Seagal
Some of these movies were bangers. I remember, I forgot what DVD I bought. Might is ngiyalifaka. Ama-movie akhona adlalayo.
yeah
It was cool ass movies.
I'm gone
Nah, it was like a compilation. It was like 50 Jackie Chan movies.
msulakhe ucabanga ukufaka ama-movie awu-50 owacela kuhle ukufaka leyo ifunayo
Yeah. No, I think bengifuna i-Rush Hour. Bengifuna i-Rush Hour 3.
no but i-point ithi wena you've sorted you sort out ama-movie awu-50 engawafuni kunokuthi ufake le movie engiyifunayo
Futhi beqeda ukuphuma i-Rush Hour 3.
ukushaya mina
Yes, baby, before you. Oh, there it is. Okay. Got it.
Ish. Stick guys,
Ish.
now the phone gets lost in the eyes now.
kanti lingakanani
Wow.
ngitheni zange ngithi kunganakabamba ikamera ngitheni
Yeah. So if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button
And notification bell so you know next time I video.
please like the video, guys. Let's get this video to
50,000 likes without it.
ngimnika amalike abhaya kanje
Chemistry. They finish each other's sentences. I like it. It's a young couple. I like it.
sinandaba nalokho thina
Any further ado?
uyakwazi ukuklina usuqala sifuna ukudlula uso clean.
Let's get into it. So we arrived at the mall.
And we usually have to race there because the movie has already started.
Baby, it looks scrumdily, I mean.
A purr. Thank you.
Oh yeah, guys, we are late. Yo, do you know what the cinema is?
Kinda.
Do you know what the cinema is?
We have to go towards sporting.
Uh-huh.
Around that time in that place.
Alright. Hola, day. Sporting. Check. Oh yeah, baby. Where you get your kicks from?
It's like a couture.
Dada?
These stickers.
Shit, nah, those are fire.
I agree. Thank you. My dress keeps going on.
Is there also like a popcorn situation?
Yes. I already ordered snacks.
Really?
We just have to scan and collect.
Dada?
Uh-huh.
Hey, shit. That's lit.
But that also takes time.
Ngikuphi la?
Uyasmile umfana.
Oyindoda.
Ekunini umfana.
Bathini
Ngathi sekuyisikopo.
inhliziyo iyabhakuza yena.
So
We had to whatever. So 10 minutes. Just for snacks.
My point is all the guys watching this. Nina Mentani. I'm playing.
Yazi besakhuluma la. Ingavalwa YouTube.
Ngophathu.
Sotikiswe emzansi. Sotikiswa.
I'm tired.
We're about to ride to the movies and we are late, right? This way.
Anibhakanga
The
nje
banquet.
entrance esidumbu.
Hey, we're about to go watch movies. Oh, yeah, bro. We're about to go watch movie there by FNB now. Now we're there by FNB. And we're watching a movie. Literally rushing to go to catch it.
Welcome. I want it. So right now.
For what? Okay.
Mana sibone mfana.
And then you're gonna get the snacks in the meantime while I scan the
That's
tickets.
what.
Sifuna ukubona.
Don't let me
Let's
the
check.
ticket to get snacks.
Another boy.
Have the half past 5 movie started.
Yes.
Kanti isikhathini. Movie ngo5:30. Iphi movie akaze ngibone movie iqala ngo5:30.
Uyaqala ngomuva. Adlalanga lonke nje.
Hayi ngeke ndoda kodwa uyobuka movie ngo5:30.
Adlalanga lonke.
Thina sizi ndoda thina sabafana besamba siyobuka movie eqala ngo8, iqala ngo7, 5:30. Uyobuka movie ngathi ngine curfew. Hayi.
Ish.
Now showing latest Bobby number 1.
It's bad, guys. It's bad.
Make it useless njengale.
Popcorn.
Yes, sir.
Rubbish yento nje. Bana ngiziphathele isikhafuthini esinamaskopers.
Get into it.
So, guys, we got our drinks. We are late, so
Tigay tip since nihamba ama movie. Why order ice? Ngitshela ukuthi ngafaka ice.
That's true.
2 straws now.
Yes. I'm trying. You know what?
Guys, I haven't been here in 2 years, bro.
Sure, when I was outside my theater.
Badala ngizobuka movie. Ngathi uyilijonga nje yona movie.
Yeah, it was Endgame.
How do you know which way we must go in? Eh? Start hands.
Fuel with the terror becoming
Sifuna singene ne-flashlight.
Yeah, pirates
we
abafana.
become predator.
Asibuke phela.
We've literally, I haven't been here in like 2 years. And like this girl just pulled me. Shout out to her.
W.
Nibuka imovie noma nizela ukuzenzani la kanti.
Ngishayeze kabhembe.
Inkosi yami.
Since the first little girl ever existed.
Hey, bafana. Kuyophela ngenyembezi.
Ngiyayibona le.
It will end in tears.
Phuma ekhaya ugeza usebenzisa amanzi. Yobuka imovie kaBarbie.
This right here. What you say?
You think that was so refreshing? You ruined my hair, baby. I ruined my hair because I was blaming you all the time.
Guys.
You don't need to over-explain.
Yo.
Loved it!
Benibhemisa ngona uyibuke le movie.
Indoda. Hayi nami.
Lokho amahlelo nje, amahlelo nobabili nje andindisholo.
Yo.
The
only good thing there, you know what it was? It was you.
You're so cute.
Uyahleka ingane zenza kanje uyahleka. Uyahleka.
Oh, this is so cute.
I can show.
It's like watching a monkey learn how to peel a banana for the first time. It's curious.
You said what?
I said today was a success.
Today's a success.
Even though we rushed through it because you were late,
Mm-hmm.
we got there right on time. Like, it was when you know how they play ads before the actual movie plays. It was still ads.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So I actually watched the
That's
movie
actually
from the start.
What I like about it. When you late, they start by playing ads,
Yeah.
which allows you to. So yeah, I get it.
Like, it made so much sense. Like, I've been dreaming about this, like, ever since Barbie dropped.
Yeah.
From that first Saturday, I'm like, baby, let's go watch Barbie. And it was just like,
Bukamthuma ngane yobuka nabangani bakho uBarbie.
there was always something.
So by today,
Dinner.
Mfice mapasijini yabona. Ithi le yami ithi scave. Yomscave. Scave intombi yakho ilethe la mfana.
success.
Yazi mama ethi ngathi yakuhlula sithi kwenzene. Athi ngathi sikwenzene.
We've had like fails.
Yombone res.
Yombona sebehleli
Yombona
lapha.
kudome.
Ubona sekahleli lapha phekombhede mfana.
Ngoba le mfana la ukhohlayele la mfana. Yele la khozela likhohlayele kahle.
No, I'm just saying, like, at some point, I was just like, yeah, no. Shame.
Yeah?
Yeah, for real. Like, I was just thinking, yeah, no, it's really, yeah, no.
What's that up?
But it's
Yeah,
child.
smile out.
I should just probably forget about it. Maybe I'm not supposed to watch it.
Mama
I'll just
sekudlulela
watch.
yena.
You know how after a movie has been released for a while, and then they,
Indoda
I was
eplasha.
and then there's like the copies, the illegal websites that released that. Yeah, I was just gonna watch it on baby camera. I was just gonna watch it on those illegal websites. But I wanted to watch it with you.
Konke abayidlile man. Konke
Into
off.
engishoyo ukuthi kade babhebitsayo.
Konke abayidlile laba.
Khona into wrong.
Ayikho into enje.
Buka amehla kanjani?
Ayikho into enje. Yabo le nje into engekho nje.
So I'm glad it went well. I'd have cried because what?
Guys, me, I said I'm picking the next movie because there's no ways.
I'm glad I picked this movie.
You glad you picked Bobby?
Yes, and got to plan it out the way I wanted, like outfit it.
Unanga kulumntana lo.
Hey angazi.
Now I'm getting curious. I thought she's too young. Or khona into abayidlile. There's something wrong.
Everything.
Something is
So
off.
It's Bobby trash, bro.
No. I remember having this much fun on a Wednesday.
Uh-huh. See, guys. You know when you...
Yes, smile for no fun. Yo.
Guys. Huh?
W Day.
W Day. W Mans. W Hun. Just for the W's. Just W. W's in the chat. Real. So, guys.
Fry poloni.
That's actually a wrap. Guys, so guys.
Usaba ukumcela nto la.
Inuzokhala.
Usaba ukumcela le nto.
I'm just as confused as you guys. What the?
You don't need to tell them yet.
What's that? Whisper it.
Let me just put this down.
Go home.
Usuthi.
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 Imali yami.
Ya usuthi.
Imali yami.
Sawufika kubo manje.
Siwagezile
Kubo
amehlo.
manje.
Siwagezile
All
amehlo.
of a sudden ifoni yakho ayisekho silent. Ubaba wakho uya text.
Usuthi.
Abobaba bana ba WhatsApp.
Ufuna ukuconfess umfana. Uzama ukuphilo talk.
Can we sleep over in the car?
You right? We just like sleep over in the car.
Yes. We can literally just
Can't you
like
sleep over
retract
Constantine?
the seats. That's what it's called, me. Then the lay flat.
It's called sleeping in.
Sliders, we get me. I'll get us McDonald's for breakfast. It's literally around the corner. Then you go home like it.
Ngeke ndoda vuka McDonald. Ekseni McDonald. Hayi.
Around 10, and I also go. I'm literally at home anyways.
So just sleep in the car, Joanne's.
I just want to be with you.
Oh, look at that. A young couple.
So let's show a car sleepover.
Kalawa
Like,
phakathi. It's in volume.
spending a night with.
Please don't say ghost. Please don't say ghost.
Usasela?
Please don't say ghost. Please don't say
Lo mfana
ghost.
uphikisa umsebenzi lo. Usasela?
Please don't say ghost.
Whoever I am, in the car for 24 hours. No, for 12 hours. Because it's like from 12
I thought she was gonna call him by his.
Hayi ithi ngisilalele le meds. Ngikhonto ngifuna
I
ukuyibona.
can't picture her calling him Luis.
to 12.
Spending a night with my wife.
Whatever.
Doing whatever you are.
Oh.
What was a man's Nangamanza.
You know, I understand it.
Anna, you see,
I understand
For 5
it.
marks. Substantiate.
No, I'm saying I understand why he blocked. He flagged Uland. Now I
Oh,
understand.
but why?
He's a very loving guy. Like he's a very loving guy.
Aza kabuki
Like,
out kathi you're loving.
no, I'm saying
Awuthwali umunye indoda akana kusemhlabeni la akona kayise la.
show me a 3-second clip, like extract a 3-second clip kule video le where this nigga is not smiling.
Hey baba manje senze
This nigga is always smiling, which means like he's super in
So,
love. He's super in love.
Yabona indaba ukuthi ukuthi indaba ukuthi yobusa uthando. Ngizoponywa.
Please don't flag these videos. Like we're just trying to make it.
Ifleke konke ngifuna uyibona.
the thing with Kanye bought chocolates the other time, and then he finished his chocolates first, and then he bought.
Madoda enu. Sweet loving indoda eqeda ichocolate ihlele ntombazana. Ubuka nje.
He then asked
No,
me.
he said Kaya. He's not talking about him.
Uthe khanya ngathi uye lo igama lakhe.
Kana kuzomlungisa.
Angazi man
For
uyabona
mine,
umuntu
ne?
wakho une stage name igama lasekhaya lasemgwaqweni nomthina
He ate mine
semtolweni.
too. Yeah, you just replaced it today. It's been 3 weeks, bro. And then he also ate my gum. He also just replaced it now. How? Now he's drinking my water, but he had.
Yebo umjolo njani la replace ukudla. I'm so confused.
If you tell them what, thank you.
Hey guys.
Ndizobeto.
See ya.
Uzomtshela into edomo yazi abafana. Eish.
Is leaving me.
It's the way he's putting it. I am not leaving.
And
I'm just going home.
Also, he was using this video to sharpen his acting skills for the beating video.
thought I was home, baby.
Yeah, baby, but I have to see my mom. I'm going to Northern Cape to see my mom.
That's Northern Cape.
You are. But my mom's home too. So I have to go home. I'm on recess. I don't have school, and my mom wants me to come home for like 2 weeks.
So you're choosing your mom.
Uthi my mom wants me to come home. Akafuna ukuphindela ekhaya. Ulitshelwa abafana. We, if I was your father, I would beat your ass.
Mom over me.
Hi, Bo. Heaven. What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, there's a noise. You're choosing your mom. There's noise.
Choosing your mom over me.
Yeah,
Can't
that-
again? So confused.
That's what I asked.
Uthini?
Because she said she's going back home. He was like, so you're choosing your mom over me?
That's an interesting question.
Please take pictures of me.
Ngeke bakulobole. You don't know where your bread is buttered.
So now no letting me sink. Letting me sink. I must ask her what.
Do you
Take pictures of you.
ungayenza wena lento le?
In.
Intombazane iphendule uphotographer wakhe njalo uma niphumile nomthatha iy'thombe nani for Instagram or whatever.
No, I usually offer.
No.
Oh,
so
mahamba nento right.
eh
Hey, mahamba nento right. Kufuneka ibonakale nayo.
ibonakala kuphi?
Ikhanye.
Ibonakala kuphi?
Kim, I need to have memories of you in that dress.
So you keep pictures as souvenirs?
Yeah, why not? Why wouldn't you keep pictures?
Hi, Bob. I don't keep pictures. But I'm not your friend. This is boss. I know where this is going. I've done this before. I've done this before. I've never done this thing and got different results. Why would it change now? Why?
Wow.
That's the shit I don't co-sign. Yo, of course, I am.
It's not showing, but it's actually dope.
I'll jump it.
It's like how?
Umtshela ukuthi uyakini siqeda i-date.
Eh,
Hayi le date bengeke siyenzele lana. Ngeke.
Because kunini uhleka ndoda.
Hayi ngeke.
Umhlathi wami ubuhlungu for wena
I
mfana.
video call you
Your video call me. Every day.
every day.
Every day. You promise?
Twice a day.
Ifoni ku-flight mode.
Okay, fuck that shit.
Fake ifoni
Guys,
ku-flight mode.
I just realized I'm getting old.
Hayi.
Just sitting here. That was our first movie date. Yaka Ghost Hlubi.
Umfana we-ghost. Awe.
Yeah.
Kungcono ngoba intombi yakhe yasekudeni yabo ngeke bamscafe ntwana yami. Sonwabile ngeke afike la.
Angifuni la xozela lisekabi. Uthanda into zabantu.
Hayi mina ngifuna ukubona ukuthi lo mdlalo oyinqwele uphele laphi.
Hayi ngimfuni ngabi la mfana lo.
Ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuphele laphi. Uthe uzoscafer and uzoscafer. Awe, uthi stage 1 is done.
Thenga isibhamu mfana wami. Thenga isibhamu. Ugosi kufuneka
Lo
athenge
lo lo athathi live bakubonyile ngeke. Ngeke.
Awuna hope.
Ngomnike sabo futhi.
Awuna hope.
Ngomnike sabo. And then I'll dare him to do it.
Oh, he can do it. Ukuthi nje uthanda uphahlwa kakhulu.
Hayi
Akunazo lesibili sokuthi
bangishayile.
bangishayile. Kodwa abafana bamanje. Anyways, yeah, that was our first movie date. Yaka Ghost Hlubi. And no Mrs. wakhe. Angimazi lo ntombazana.
Uthi ahambe yakubo. We.
Yeah.
Uqala ngokudla imali yakho maqedwe yakini. Kodwa amantombazana.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, and suggest some videos in the comment section.
Sizofane host the competition ngelinye ilanga. So ngitshela another date. So host the competition. Winner takes all.
Okay. Sibongeke.